Here we come to the second elevator at IKEA in Houston, Texas. This is an MEI. This will be an updated take on this elevator as well. People are going to be coming off this thing, so I'm not going to point the camera out the door. And this elevator is a little bit more busier than the previous one. Hopefully we don't get interrupted going down, because that is the worst nightmare I have. Two. I'm not gonna waste my time creating several attempts to get a good video, so I'm gonna do it this way, dividing the video into two parts. All right, I hear it coming. All right, let's get inside the elevator cab quick before we start getting piling up with people coming on. Really want to get a cab view. That wasn't bad after all. Okay, well, anyways. There it goes. And that's it.